Between getting blown around by the wind while driving and navigating around downed trees, you'll definitely want to allow some extra time as you head out the door this morning.
So let's get back out to Jess Arnold. She is live in Chevy Chase right now. And Jess, a lot of people are cleaning up or starting to clean up or will have to clean up. There's a lot going on out there based on what happened last night with the wind.
Yeah, this family certainly can't clean this up by themselves. So this is a 75-foot tree that fell from the rear of their house onto it while some of them were inside yesterday. This is according to Montgomery County Fire and EMS. You can see the remnants right here. Now keep in mind, this is kind of a dark neighborhood. It's obviously still not light out here, so we're going to show you as much as we can. But I'm not sure exactly how much you'll be able to see. As we're going back closer to the house, you can still see remnants of where that tree had fallen on it. Thankfully, no one was injured. But again, this is the kind of damage that we see when we have these kinds of winds. Trees just being completely knocked over, sometimes uprooted. This is crazy though, with how big that tree trunk is. It's honestly amazing that no one was injured and how that tree had fallen down. Now, just in the last 10 minutes, I did check on outages. This is an area that Pepco covers. They don't have much this morning. It was still under about 20 customers according to their outage map. However, Dominion Energy, which of course covers Virginia, they've had an increase in outages from when we last checked in at 5 a.m. And they have about 4,700 customers now that are experiencing outages. That's compared to about 2,300 that we told you at 5 a.m. So that's a significant jump. I know Lindsay's been talking about closures there out in Northern Virginia, so they are definitely experiencing some of these issues. Now, I also want to mention, just in terms of the impact that these winds have been having, the Washington Monument ended up having to be closed down yesterday because of those winds. Obviously, we're looking at cherry blossoms. Those get impacted by these winds, so we'll have to see what those effects of that might be later on today. We're going to keep checking out some of this damage, keep seeing where you might have some issues this morning as you're driving. Make sure you keep both of those hands on the wheel. We weren't feeling too much pull yet as we were driving around in Eco 9, but you never know when that big gust is going to come through, so just be careful as you're out there on the roads this morning. For now, though, I'll send it back to you.
Great advice, because we heard it.
Oh, yes.
Night. Everybody heard it all night long. And we see the results of what was going on. So,
I had to grip my steering wheel tight.
Yeah.
White knuckling it in, Jess.
Yeah.